there! Ready to check out some cool rewards you can snag with your points? Let's make those points work for you.
Hey, hello. How many points I got so far?
You've got a total of 15 shiny points to play with. Let's see how we can turn them into something fun and rewarding. Ready to browse your options?
Yep, yes please. What's interesting?
All right, here are some fun rewards you can grab with your 15 points. 1. 1 hour gaming. Take a break and play your favorite game for an hour. That's 15 points. 2. 30 minutes extra sleep. Sleeping in for 30 minutes tomorrow morning. So sweet. That's just 10 points. And 3. Social media break. 15 minutes of guilt-free social media browsing. 5 points. Oh,
Wow, that's cool. On what habits should I work more?
hey there. Ready to log some healthy habits today? Let's see how we can boost your points together. What habit are we focusing on?
You tell me, on what habit should I focus more?
You've got a great set of habits to focus on. Let's take a look. 1. Morning meditation, a peaceful start to the day. 2. Drink water 500 milliliters. Stay hydrated and refreshed. 3. 30-minute exercise, boosts your energy and mood. 4. Read 30 minutes, expand your knowledge. 4 points. 5. Home-cooked meal, nourish your body with healthy food. 5 points. 6. Eating vegetables, a weekly boost to your nutrition. 6 points. Which one would you like to focus on today? Or maybe you'd like to update your habits?